Yes, Happy New Year. It's been a while. It's April the something. We got Easter coming up. And I'm here to test. After Easter, I'm trotting off down to Austria. They're holding a F3C training long weekend. It's the beginning of May. So it's nice. It's a long drive down there, but we'll make it into a bit of a holiday and then do some F3C practice down there. Returning from there, I think we have a week break, and then myself, Ian, Steve, and hopefully Roger are going to head off to Denmark for the first Heli Series event of the year. That's at RC Parken, which is handy because it's just over the border, sort of the German Denmark border. So we've got a nice F3C event there for the weekend. A couple of weeks later, we're off to France, to Cherbourg, to Arnaud Poyet's field for an F3C, the second Heli Series event. Then a few weeks later, I think we're off to Romania for the World Championships. Now, this will be the first World Championships I'm a team member of. I've been a team manager for the World Championships. I've been a judge at European Championships, or a couple of European Championships. I've never been a team member, so this is a new feeling of waking up feeling sick and getting nervous and sweating and shaking a lot. Fun stuff ahead. That's in Romania, and that's in a little city just right at the bottom of Romania, long way away from the Ukrainian border, luckily. So that shouldn't impact us much. After that, we're coming back to Belgium, for Heli Series Belgium, I think in September. And then there's going to be a October Charmouth, and that'll be the year. So it's quite a good year. We've got 3 Heli. Oh, we've got a British Nationals. I forgot about the British Nationals. Yeah. The Nationals is the beginning of July sometime. So I think that's probably just before that's going to be a few weeks before we go away to Romania for the World Champs. So that'll be good. So we've got 3 Heli Series events. We've got a British Nationals. We've got 2 Charmouth Fun Fly events. I've got an Austrian practice event and a World Champs. Brilliant.